Hey everybody, amateur birdwatcher Dick Davis here at Texas Discovery Gardens in Dallas Fair Park. Not long ago, Audubon came out here and found 38 different birds on our 7.5 acres. No, not that Audubon. I don't think he's ever been here, unless he's been dead for 169 years. No, it was a couple of staff members from the Audubon Society, two women that really knew their birds, although I don't know where they ranked in the organization's pecking order. I myself can't identify but three kinds of birds: a sparrow, a hawk, and a sparrowhawk, which of course is what you get when a sparrow and a hawk get married and have a baby. Anyway, we don't have enough time today to show you about all 38 of our birds, so let's start with a dozen. So come fly with me, get a bird's eye view of our fine feathered friends. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. Wait a minute, everybody get real quiet. I think I see a dodo and a cuckoo. No, false alarm. That's just two of my staff members. Anyway, over here I do see a sparrow and a hawk. Let's see what they're up to. Hey, y'all cut that out. Talk about lost as a goose. This is a bird out of water. Gate 6, big guy. Come take a gander at Texas Discovery Gardens.